So, Dr. Gary, you have emphasized that consistency, practice, and effort are more important than mastery of the love languages. So, with that in mind, how do we know? How could we maybe self-analyze if we're moving in the right direction?
Well, one of the things I've encouraged couples to do every 3 weeks or so, maybe every 2 weeks, just to say, if they understand the concept and you understand the concept, to say, honey, on a scale of 0 to 10, how full is your love tank this week? And if they say anything less than 10, you say, well, what could I do this week that would be most meaningful to you? And so it's just a way of plugging in, to get feedback, because you don't know what they're feeling if they don't tell you what they're feeling. If they say, I'm a 10, well, you're making progress. And I want to throw this out too, because if the primary love language of your partner is one that you did not receive as a child, there's going to be a learning curve. I remember the man who said to me, he said, Dr. Chapman, my wife and I read your book, and her love language is words of affirmation. And he said, I hate to say this, but I don't know how to say positive words. I never received any positive words growing up. I was always told I was lazy, I was never going to amount to anything, and I heard all these negative words, and I don't know how to say positive things. And I said to him, well, you are where you are. We can't change our history. I said, but here's the good news. You can learn to speak this language as an adult, even if you didn't receive it. I said, can you tell me 3 things your wife is really good at? He thought and said, well, she's a good cook, and she's a good school teacher, and she's a good mother. I wrote them down. Out beside, I wrote 2 or 3 sentences. I said, now here's your assignment. You take this home twice a day this week, every day. Get in a room by yourself and read these sentences out loud so you hear yourself saying these words. And when you come back next week, I want you to be able to say them to me without looking at your notes, okay? Well, he did. Came back. I said, okay, now here's your assignment. You give her one of these the next 3 weeks. You give her one every week. I don't care what day of the week or what time of day, but you just give her one of these. And he said, oh, I hope I can do this. I said, you just said them to me. If you can say them to me, you can say them to her. I said, now the first time you give her one, on the first week, you may want to say it when she's looking in another direction, because the look in her eyes just may blow your mind, But you say it. And so he came back and he said, well, I did it. I said, how'd your wife respond? He said, well, on the 3rd week, she said to me, what's going on with you? I've never heard you give me so many compliments. I said, what did you say? He said, I just told her, honey, we read that book, and your language is words of affirmation. And I'm just trying to learn how to put my love into words because I do love you. She said, oh, that is so sweet. So, it takes effort. It's like learning. If you never received it, it's like learning a new language. Yeah. But the good news is we can learn any of these languages.
Mm-hmm. Man, as you're saying that, Dr. Gary, it just makes me think of the power of mental rehearsal at large, right? Like the practice and repetition and practice and repetition. And even before, they got to that conversation, right? He's equipped and trained and skilled. I love that, your homework in the first week wasn't, now go do this. Yeah. Your homework was, how do you learn this? How do you quite literally get this to a place of, I believe this, and I'm beginning to think and feel this. And now my language or my behavior, or my actions are now following. And that's so true of the recovery process in any way, shape, or form. The power of mental rehearsal, doing something again and again and again with a level of repetition. Yeah. And of course, in your context, you're throwing coins in the piggy bank of the love bank, or the love tank. Here's another coin, an investment that over time makes so much sense. And